Chapter 8, Part 2, Translation. Ils se sont parlé avant l'examen. So we've got they, and then the verb parler, that's a past participle. It's reflexive and conjugated with the helping verb être. They spoke to each other before the exam. Je me suis dit, so that's I. That's the past tense of dire with the helping verb être. I said to myself, c'est ridicule de travailler si dur. It's ridiculous to work so hard. Ils se sont opposés à l'idée d'abandonner la tâche qui a été proposée. So lots of little parts here. So s'opposer is a main verb, past participle, helping verb with être. Subject is they, so they were opposed to the idea of abandoning the task. La tâche is the task. It can also be the stain. Qui a été proposé. So we've got a past passive voice. Qui indicates that the task was the subject, but we're not going to translate it as who, because that wouldn't sound good. They were opposed to the idea of abandoning the task which was proposed. So which was proposed or that was proposed. Who was proposed wouldn't make sense since it's not a person.